Hello, I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki. I'm in one of my favourite locations on Promenade. Anyway, we went to Greater Manchester for a safe fill gas bottle, and I wanted one that I could go and pick up rather than get online, because I've made a few mistakes online. I don't like anything online, you never know what you're getting. But anyway, I'm glad I went now, and the reason I'm glad I went is because this is the only bottle that would fit in the van. I was going to get the 10 kilogram bottle. This is a 7.5. No way would a 10 kilogram bottle fit in. When I went there, they must have been the nicest people you could ever wish to meet. He filled it up for me. In fact, he put the gas in for free, because I said at the end of it, I said, do you mind if I make a YouTube video, you know, using your place? And he gave me the gas for free, so hey, thank you. So I don't know what the gas costs, because obviously he filled it for free. But anyway, he showed me exactly how to do it, everything to do. If you pass in, pop in. He's always got them. When I was there, somebody had just been in from Yorkshire to buy one, and he said, you know, selling them's not the best thing he could do, because obviously once you've bought it, you only need to fill it up wherever you want, and he likes to sell his bottles all the time. But anyway, not everything goes to plan. The battery went in the camera last time I made a video, so I charged the battery up and forgot to bring it with me, so I've no battery in that, so we're not using that one. We're on the old camera, the Fugi film. Anyway, so I'm going to go and put that in. I'm going to take the GoPro. I'll keep talking on this because this will record the voice, and we'll put it in and then we'll try it, and then, because we've got a parcel, well, that's in the next video, but we can't use that parcel until we've got gas, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go and put that on, and I'll record it for you. But yeah, hey, what nice people. They couldn't do enough for you. So if you ever go to this place, I'll put it in the description where it is, the address and everything. Give him a ring first to make sure he's still got some in. He said he gets batches of 50 at a time, so he must keep getting them. I rang somebody at Bolton that didn't have them in, and then they gave me his number, and he said, and I went. And when you go, I think it's Trafford Street you drive down, but you don't actually drive down it. As soon as you get onto that street, out the side there's a big yellow car wash. Out the side of that car wash, there's a little road, go around the road, back of the car wash, and there it is. So it's easy to find. But yeah, they couldn't do enough for me, and well, just nice, polite people. I like people like that. That's why I'm recommending them to you. So, and if you ever want one of these, fill it up. If you go there, he fills it for you. You know, you don't need to do it yourself. Right, let's go put it in. Oh, there we go. He did tell me what you do. You turn the tap off, obviously, when you take it out of the thing. You connect the hose up, then you turn the bottle on again, press the button on the thing, fill it up. Once it's full, it stops automatically. And I'm getting blown away with wind out there. What it does, if you take that lever off that you're filling it up with and you've forgotten to turn it back off, it doesn't matter, the gas doesn't come out, he said. It has like a, you know, pressurised thing, so that when you put your lead to it and then tighten it up, that's when the gas will come out. So anyway, the proof is in the pudding. Let's go and light some gas. So I've had a leak. When I connected the gas bottle up, it was leaking. I heard it leaking, so I knew I had some tape, you know, gas tape, so I put that on, tightened it back up, turned the bottle on, and it still leaked, and I thought, what's going on? And it turns out that this little nut had worked itself loose. So anyway, I've tightened that and it's fine now, but that's where the leak was. So I wonder if that's what's emptied the last gas bottle, if I've forgotten to turn it off and it's emptied it. Right, let's see if we've got some gas. That's the main thing, isn't it? Power on. This doesn't work unless this is fully open, so it might take a bit to come through. Oh, it's coming through, I can hear it. There we are. Nope. And it goes off. Where's it gone off? Right, let's try again. I think it helps if you turn the bottle on, doesn't it? Bit of wind coming through the door is open. But We're cooking with gas now. Yeah, all three working. All three working, cheap as chips. Somebody did ask me, let that cool before I put the glass down. Turn you around. So I lost a spanner, had to go and get a spanner. I had to go and get that stuff. Anyway, so we're on now. Somebody did ask me, would it be alright to have my fridge on gas whilst driving? And for me, if it's your van, you can do exactly what you want. Me personally, if you have an accident and you rupture anything, you've got gas coming out everywhere. So I would play it safe, and I wouldn't do anything with gas while you're driving. Make sure the tap's turned off. Every time you finish that, turn the tap off, and that's how you should deal with that. Anyway, so that being said, safe fill gas bottle, Eccles, Greater Manchester, wonderful people, and give them a ring. I'll put a link in the description of all the details of everything. And I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki. Stay safe, be lucky, and I'll certainly see you soon.